You may not see it, but we're here. Because this is where one of our clients uses our new support system on this remote location with dedicated personnel that have various technical backgrounds. Which got us thinking, are they able to optimize the use of the gas turbines out there? Maintenance services is one thing, but optimizing its potential use is a whole different ballgame. So we developed a remote support system that operates 24/7 from our headquarters in the Netherlands that connects to gas turbines all over the world. That results in an extension of service intervals and improved engine efficiency, as well as reducing unscheduled outages and downtimes. And it even offers faster assessments of malfunctions.
We recommend perform an online water wash soon
Why?
to restore compressor efficiency and to reduce fuel consumption.
Okay, let's do that. Thanks.
It's a list of benefits that goes on and on. So we needed a catchy name and came up with DECIDE, a term that stands for Digital Enhanced Control Intelligence for Decision-Making and Execution. Well, forget that. Just remember the term DECIDE as you call us for more information. VBR Turbine Partners. Support beyond expectation.